The St. Mary Police need your help to find a man who escaped lockup at the Annotto Bay Station on Thursday, July 30. 23-year-old A.J. Anthony McDonald of Islington, St. Mary was charged with possession of a prohibited weapon. Police say about 5:30 Thursday morning, he escaped the lockup by removing sections of a bathroom window. They're urging him to surrender or for anyone who knows his whereabouts to call the Annotto Bay Police at 876-996-2244, 119 or the nearest police station. The police are also reminding members of the public that they can be charged for harboring a fugitive.